Welcome all. We are revisiting strings topic. Previously we have seen how we can add multiple string objects by means of string concatenation. We can append string object to already existing string variable. At the same time we have seen how we can repeat the string using multiplication operator. Now this is one of the most fascinating topic. Strings are immutable. Before seeing string as an immutable data type, we have seen already tuples are also immutable. Means we cannot modify it once it is defined, once it is created. So tuple variables, tuple data types cannot be changed once they are defined. In similar fashion, strings are immutable. Python strings are immutable, which means that once created they cannot be changed. Whenever you try to modify an existing string or variable, a new string is created. This will be demonstrated using one library function. The name of the function is id. Every object in Python is stored in memory. You can find out whether two variables are referring to the same object or not by using id function. The id returns the memory address of that object. Whenever we create an object, it is assigned a location in a memory. We will check the address of that memory location using id function. Here is the program that demonstrates the use of id function. I will move to you to editor, spider. The same code is available here. I explain you this code and then we see its output. At line number 1, string 1 object, string 1 variable is created. It is assigned value hello. At line number 5, str2 data variable, string variable is created. We have assigned world. At line number 8, we have concatenated string 1 and string 2 variables to form string 1. So it is similar to appending, as well as you can say it is concatenating. Now you know the difference, basic difference between concatenating and appending. Now this program demonstrates the use of id function. Check here. id function, it accepts the variable whose memory address we want to display. So at line number 3, we are displaying the location of string 1 variable in memory. At line number 7, we are displaying the memory address of str2 variable. Now explanation of this program. Hello will be stored in str1. str1 value will be printed at line number 2, and its memory location, its address in a memory, will be displayed using line number 3. Same in case of str2 string variable at line number 5, 6, 7. At line number 8, we have concatenated str1 and str2 to form str1. So if you will think about that, the existing str1 will be modified, but not, this is not the case. Whenever str1 and str2 concatenated to each other at line number 8 and they are stored in str1, at this moment it will create new string object str1. How it can be checked? Just check the id, just check the memory location of str1 at line number 10. So it should be different than at line number 3. It means that str1 at line number 3 and str1 at line number 10 are different string objects. Why? Because at line number 8 we have modified existing str1 such that it is going to hold hello world. Now check the output. Output str is hello. ID of str1 is, I'm just reading last 4 digits, 2288. Now we have printed the memory location of str2. It is 2544. Now we have printed the memory location of str1 again after concatenation. After concatenation, the str1 is changed to hello world. Previously it was hello. Now it is hello world. And its memory address is 3120. That means once we concatenate str1 and str2 and we assign this value to str1, the str1 is newly created object because its memory address changes from 2288 to 3120. Now remaining program at line number 12, 13 and 14. str1 is assigned to str3. Now it is called as alias. The data object is the same, but it is having two different names. First name is str1 and second name is str3. How you can check it? So just check the memory address of str3. We have printed it here. The memory address of str3 is same as that of the str1. Means at line number 12 we are not creating new object because it is the just copying of one object to other. They are referring to the same memory location. But whenever we are trying to modify, the new string object is going to be created. That is what we have done at line number 8. But at line number 12 we are creating the str3 from existing str1. So the memory addresses for str1 and str3 are going to be the same. That is what shown using this id function, id library function. Move to our presentation. Now this is exercise for you. Guess the output. str1 is equal to hello. Now I am trying to modify the first letter of this string. I am using subscript operator. The subscript operator is square brackets. The meaning of str1 subscript 0 is equal to s is that we are assigning s to first letter of string. H is the first letter of the string, so we are assigning s to h, but this will not be allowed as strings are immutable. So you are going to get an error if you try to modify the string object. It will prove strings are immutable. Check the output using our Spider editor. I will increase the font here. Okay, and now check the output. Yes, here. Type error. str object does not support item assignment. Why? Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. That's why it does not support item assignment. This is what we have proved using this simple 3-line program. This is somewhat fascinating. Yes? Right. Reference for this concept is Python programming using problem solving approach. Thanks for listening this tutorial.